How to initiate a factory reset of Steel HR. There are several reasons why you may want to reset your Steel HR. Perhaps you're having trouble connecting the watch, or maybe you want to gift it to a friend or family member. Here's what you need to do. Press and hold the watch button. The watch will vibrate as workout mode is engaged. Keep holding until the watch vibrates twice and you see this screen. Next, press the watch button until you see the screen that says Factory Reset. Press and hold until you see the next screen, which will prompt you to reset the watch with 5 short clicks. The screen counts down each time you press. If you don't complete these directions quickly, your watch may time out, in which case you'll need to start the process over. Your Steel HR is now reset, but if you are using an iOS device, you'll need to complete one more step. On your device, go to Bluetooth and locate your Steel HR in the list of devices. Select the blue eye next to the listed device and then select Forget this device. Your Steel HR is now completely reset and can be paired to a new device. Still need help? Visit health.nokia.com/support.